Sana naman pagkatapos nitong exercise na to, hindi tayo matigil na nakaganon lang. No? Yeah, like robe, globe. Because that's how you say it. For you to sound that sound, kailangan ganun talaga yung position ng mouth mo, diba? Otherwise, iba siya. Vocabulary. How can you improve that? You read. You read. That's it. Reading. I don't have all the words in the world to share to you guys because it's not exactly what we need to do in here. We don't need to memorize all these words. Kung si Mariam Webster nga, yung dictionary, kulang pa ang page para sa lahat ng words sa mundo, right? Ano pa kaya tayo? And again, all you have to do is read, understand yung context, yung meaning, nung word, and see kung saan siya applicable. And check synonyms as well, para hindi ganun. Okay? Si Mavic, I can actually see her face when she said, "Cauliflower?" Baka white flower yung sinasabi mo, di ba? Gulay. Gulay yun eh, di ba? No. She's... No, Mavic, she was actually referring to white flour na ointment. Not cauliflower. So if you don't have white flour, you can use cauliflower. You can just simply go to the market and get it, okay? So, Diana, here's for you. Last question. Exacto. Diana, your question is, how do you make rice? How do you make rice means paano ka magsaing. Okay? No, it is right. Okay? It is just us Filipinos that think na kasi luto dapat cook. No. Okay? But when you say how do you make rice, it means paano ka magsaing. Let's avoid words na hindi rin naman kailangan, diba? Mga non-added value na mga words doon sa sentence na pag tinanggal mo siya, buo pa rin naman yung message mo. Okay? It's just that tayo, nasanay lang din talaga na gusto natin. Medyo maraming words ang ginagawa. Point out. By the way guys, pass away and pass out, magkaiba yon. When you say pass away, tsugi. Right? But Mavic, when you say passed out, nahimatay. Okay? So ingat ha. Ingat ha, baka mamaya may nagtanong kung nasaan yung kaibigan nyo, hinimatay lang siya, tapos ang sasabihin nyo, passed away. Okay? Or pass away, hindi ibig sabihin nyo na dumaan siya sa'yo. Passed away. Okay? Hey, I saw my friend, he just passed away. Dumaan lang siya. So hindi hindi. Okay? Pass away meaning to die or to die. Is that clear? What do you think? Okay. Well, I saw my friend pass by. Right? I saw my friend pass by. Well, she just went this way. She went this way. So you can go ahead and check. She passed away, went that way, and passed out. Right? She passed away, went that way, and passed out. So be careful ha, passed away, passed by, passed out. Okay? Remember, you don't need to speak fast, okay? Nararamdaman ko nagsasalita ka na mabilis. You don't have to. You can say, I'm gonna make a coffee. Just wait a minute, because I'm gonna make a coffee. Okay? Make a, not make a. Okay? Hindi na buy it. Hey, you have to buy it. No, but instead you say, hey, you have to buy it. It's on sale. Okay? So vowels consist of how many letters? So it's A, E, I, O, U. We are talking about English, okay? So it's not A, E, I, O, U, but it's A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes Y, they say. Sometimes Y. Can you say the word after the copy? One more time. Okay, you say curry, curry. That's how you say it, okay? It's curry. So you say chicken curry, not chicken curry. That's it. Curry powder. Can you say curry powder? That's it, okay?